Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again in our channel. This is Arnav from Tech Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can log into same WhatsApp account in two different devices with the help of a very simple trick. So let's go and check this out. So guys, in WhatsApp, if you want to log in with the same account but into two different devices, earlier it was not possible. Let's say I have this WhatsApp account in my this phone, and with the same mobile number I want to log in into my this phone. So once I will just log in into my this mobile, the WhatsApp will be logged out automatically from this device. So at the same time, to be logged in two different devices with the same mobile number, earlier it was not possible. And so Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg has announced that this feature will be provided to each and every devices very soon, and currently in Android you will have this feature. But to get this feature, you can just go to the Play Store and update your WhatsApp. But currently, if you see, but right now without updating this application, if I try to log into my WhatsApp account, I will just have two options, like OTP through text or OTP or getting the OTP through call. But there is another option that WhatsApp has recently given us, which is tapping on this three dot. You will have a QR code right here option by which you can actually log into your this phone. So just let me show you how you can do this. For that, let's go to the Play Store at first and update the WhatsApp so that the feature will support in both the device. So guys, now WhatsApp has been updated successfully. Now let's open it in my both phone, and here you can see I have logged in. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna clone the WhatsApp of this device into this device. So agree and continue. So guys, then click on these three dots, and here we'll have this option, link to existing account. Make sure you need to choose this option over getting a OTP, okay? And in case if you are not seeing this link to account option, what you need to do, you just need to uninstall your WhatsApp in your secondary device and reinstall it, okay? And okay, now let's tap on this link to existing account, and then you'll see this QR code right here. Now in my primary device, let's tap on these three dots and go to the tap on these three dots and go to the link devices option and tap on the OK, link a device. Okay, and it's time to scan this QR now. It's now logging in, loading your chat. So this so I think by now you will know that this feature is similar to WhatsApp web, but the UI and how you are doing it is just a little bit different. Now once you are logged in, you can see the device status. Tap to device to log out. So you are now logged into another Android device, and you can see the status from here. And as you can see here, all of my contacts are right here, and I can chat with them with very ease, as I can do in my this device. So one thing to remember guys, in your primary device, if your primary device stays switched off for more than 14 days, your WhatsApp account in your secondary device will be logged out automatically. So make sure your device is switched on. So guys, that was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed this trick. If you do so, don't forget to like our video and share this video with your friends. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and also hit that bell icon to never miss notifications from this channel. See you soon in our future videos. Thanks for watching.